Unlocking the past, understanding in years gone by. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the beautiful and nostalgic phrase, in years gone by. This expression paints pictures of the past and tells stories of times that are no more. Join me as we unravel the meaning and usage of this timeless phrase, enriching your English understanding and expression. In years gone by is a phrase that refers to a time in the past, often suggesting a considerable distance from the present. It evokes a sense of nostalgia and reflection, bringing to mind memories, events, or conditions that existed previously. When someone uses this phrase, they're not just talking about the past. They're painting a picture of it, often with an emotional or reflective tone. This phrase is commonly used in storytelling, reflective speeches, or when reminiscing about the past. It's perfect for setting a scene in a narrative or for starting a conversation about memories. For instance, in narratives, in years gone by, this village was a bustling marketplace. In reflections, in years gone by, we would gather around the fireplace and share stories until dawn. It's important to note that while the phrase is versatile, it's best used in contexts where a reflective, nostalgic, or historical tone is desired. Using in years gone by adds a layer of depth to your speech or writing. It's not just about the temporal distance but also about the emotional resonance. The phrase often carries a hint of longing or appreciation for the past. It's not merely a marker of time, it's an invitation to feel and reflect on the times that have shaped us. In years gone by is a phrase rich in meaning and emotion. It's a bridge to the past, inviting us to reflect, appreciate, and learn from the times that have sculpted our present. Whether you're storytelling, reminiscing, or reflecting, this phrase adds depth and texture to your narrative. I hope this exploration has helped you grasp the beauty and utility of in years gone by, and that you'll feel confident weaving it into your conversations and writings. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoying the richness of the English language.